Myself, Dr. Shivakumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, I am going to teach you on application of Euler-Lagrange equation in finite element analysis. Here I am considering on beam problem. Consider a simply supported beam of span L, Young's modulus E and moment of inertia I. It is also subjected to uniformly distributed load of intensity W per meter throughout its entire span. Let Y be the vertical displacement and Y dash be the slope and Y double dash be the bending moment. That is EA into Y double dash. So the product of EA is called flexural rigidity. That is Young's modulus into moment of inertia. The governing equation for this type of problem can be written as d square by dx square of EA into d square y by dx square minus W equal to 0. I am writing in this format. D square by dx square EA into y double dash minus W equal to 0. Here I am writing y double dash equal to d square y by dx square. The Euler-Lagrange equation is given by dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash plus d square by dx square of dou f by dou y double dash equal to 0. Here we are taking 3 terms. Actually the Euler-Lagrange equation can be extended up to n terms. So call it as equation number 2. Now we are going to compare equation 1 and 2. Dou f by dou y equal to minus W. Here no y dash term and dou f by dou y double dash equal to EA into y double dash. So this term can be neglected and comparing equation 1 and 2 we get dou f by dou y equal to minus W and dou f by dou y double dash equal to this term d square by dx square this term EA into y double dash. Call it as this equation as 3 and this equation is 4. Now we are going to integrate these equations 3 and 4. So integrating equation 3, we get integral dou f by dou y dy equal to minus integral W dy plus a constant C of y double dash. Here we are integrating with respect to y. So we can take any constant as a variable having function y double dash can be taken as arbitrary constant. That is, a function having y double dash as the variable can be treated as an arbitrary constant. So this is, we can use ordinary differentiation formula. That is, here only variable y is here. So integrating, we get f. So minus integral dy y plus constant f of y double dash, that is function having only variable y double dash. Call it as equation number 5. Now I am going to integrate the fourth equation. So integrating equation 4, we get integral here we are integrating with respect to y double dash. So the arbitrary constant can be written as the function having only the variable y. That is constant of y. Here ordinary integration rule can be applied. So integral dou f by dou y double dash into dou y double dash equal to f. So f equal to ei into y double dash square by 2 plus function of y. So the arbitrary constant Cfi can be taken as function of y. Here function of y double dash, here function of y. So the constants we can take as per our convenience depending upon the equations. So call it as equation number 6. Now we are going to compare equation 5 and 6. By comparing 5 and 6, we get f of y equal to here minus wy. Call it as equation number 7. We can also compare f of y double dash. F of y double dash can compare with this term ei into y double dash square by 2. But I am comparing f of y equal to minus wy. Now substitute in equation 7 and equation 6. That is the f of y value in equation number 6. We get 6 implies so this is called the functional, that is function of function. Ea by 2 y double dash square minus wy into wy. So this is called the functional, that is function of function. So by applying the limit 0 to L, we get the functional as f equal to ei by 2 integral 0 to L y double dash square dx minus integral 0 to L wy dx. So this is called functional. In structural mechanics, it is called the potential energy, that is the strain energy minus work done by the external forces. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Have a pleasant life. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.